How to sort your Facebook feed chronologically. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is scroll a little bit down and then scroll up. Now you can see at the top home, favorites and recent. Now what you have to do is click on the recent, and here in this page you can see the most recent posts of your Facebook account that you have follow. So that's the video to sort your Facebook feed chronologically. So if you, and here you can see the most recent posts like 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. So that's the video to sort your Facebook feed chronologically. If you love this type of tech tutorials, so subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.